to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Today we're going to be doing our beef stew in the slow cooker. Here we have our beef that was marinated overnight in smoked black pepper, kosher salt, and ginger garlic paste. Then we got our vegetable-based bouillon we're going to be using. Tomatoes from our garden. We got some asparagus, habaneros, carrots, some corn, some fresh thyme. Got mushrooms, potatoes, bell peppers, taro root, broccoli from our garden, and one of these slow cooker beef stew mixes we're going to put in there. It's all going to go in the crock pot. World famous. So we're going to brown our meat for about 5 minutes. So now our meat is done browning. We put everything in the crock pot. All those ingredients I showed you before. Everything is in there. We're going to cook this for probably about 4 to 5 hours on high. So after about 4.5 hours, the beef stew is ready.